Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kefran Deana and here I'm going to show you how to make a four-way traffic light simulation. So let's get started. Okay, you're gonna need some stuff to do the simulation. The first is a laptop or a desktop, and you're gonna need two softwares to do the simulation. The first is Proteus Design Suite and the second is Arduino IDE. And you're gonna need an Arduino library for the Proteus. Okay, now let's get straight to the steps. First of all, turn on your computer and then download all the required software along with the Arduino library. And then, after everything is available on your PC, just straight to install all the required software. Okay, after you've installed all the softwares, which are Proteus Design Suite and Arduino IDE, go to the Arduino Proteus library and then extract it. And you'll get the Arduino Proteus library folder. Open it. You'll find three files here. Just block it all. Copy it into where your Proteus is installed. Usually on Program Files in C, go to the Lab Center Electronics and you'll find two folders here. These two folders are based on what version of your Proteus. Here, I'm using Proteus 8 for Professional. Then I'm just gonna copy it into the Proteus 8 Professional folder. Go to the library and then paste it here. And the files has been added to the library folder. And then, after everything is settled, you are ready to make the simulation. Then open the Proteus Design Suite and straight to create a new project. Okay, now let's open the Proteus software. Straight to create a new project. Let's give it a name. Put it in a folder. Desktops. So I can easily access them. Folder. Give it the same name. Always perfect light simulation. Select the folder. Next, and let's get to the work plane. And we have arrived in the work plane. So let's just get the components. You have to click P button on your keyboard to access the component selection. There you go. Search for Arduino Uno R3. There it is. Double click it and traffic light. There it is. Double click it and let's add it to the work plane. Rotate and add 4 traffic lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's arrange this anti-clockwise. And okay.
There we go.
Then, after everything is arranged like four-way traffic light, you just have to connect all the component legs with the pins on the Arduino.
Okay, now let's just connect the component legs with the pins in this Arduino. First, let's count the component legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 legs. So let's give a wire to the pins and the legs. Oops. Here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next, let's give them a label so that they can connect it. For example, this is 0, it's 1, 2, 3, and so on. Sorry. Here too. Make sure the legs are connected sequentially with the pins. Okay, there we go.
Next, open the Arduino IDE software, and in this software, you will create a coding script that later will be added to the open source system on Arduino Uno R3. Then you just have to create a coding script that fits the system of four-way traffic light.
Okay, now let's make the coding script. Let's open the Arduino IDE software. And here, I already made the coding script like this, and this is my version of coding script. You can just copy mine or you can make your own version. And here I've made some integers like G1, Y1, R1, and so on. These integers are according to these legs. For example, G1 is 0, Y1 is 1, R1 is 2. G means green, Y means yellow, and R means red. As simple as that. And then, on the void setup, I've made the pin mode as an output. Here is the coding script. You can just copy it. And in the void loop, this is the pattern. Oops. pattern. I've made 2 patterns, and this is my own version of pattern. You can make your own, or you can just copy it. And when you've done with these, you can click verify to make sure your coding script runs smoothly. Okay, then save it and then click upload. The coding script is uploaded. And when your coding script is being uploaded, find a path that contains your coding script file with .hex extension. It should be somewhere here. Oh, here. .hex extension. Block it. And then copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. And then let's get back to the Proteus. Here, double click on the Arduino Uno and in Program File, paste the path in the text box. Like this, and then click OK, and you're ready to run the simulation. Let's run the simulation by clicking play button at the bottom left corner. Click, and it works perfectly. The pattern will be changed in 5 seconds. Like that.
You can also change the coding script according to what you want, but of course, it must match on what simulation you are making. Okay, maybe that's all I can show you. I am so sorry if there is a wrong word pronunciation and my way of speaking has a strange or weird accent in your ears because my English is not that good. And last but not least for me, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.